Dance with me.
Back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my body.
Happy, well, we're gonna do a little video. So I'm just gonna interview you. How does it feel being pregnant?
I'm sorry, what? I just ate too much. No, fuck yourself. I'm not pregnant. It's a taco. What is wrong with you?
It's a girl. It's a girl. It's not a taco.
Why? It's a
It's a
burrito.
girl. Stop calling your daughter a burrito. This is how she feels about being pregnant, and I so support that. So where do you need me to go?
Vieira Maria.
Sierra Maria.
Try it off hot. These are 112? 112?
Which brand is these?
This?
Yeah, 112. And we have some here on the freezer.
Let me see these really quick. Here with a bunch of fruit.
Let's go eat.
Come on, please. I'll lead the way.
Love your beach. Tasha Oliver Boutique. Let's go this way.
Beach.
Tasha Velvet Boutique. Thank you.
Natasha's. Natasha. Like, say your name.
Lunchtime. Hummus, shrimpies, healthy salad. Hey there, girl.
Are you one of them dancers?
Are you one of them dancers or something? Are you one of them damn dancers? Oh my god, you're doing it because you're a fucking. Who are you, reporter of the? Who are you? You one of them damn dancers? I seen it. I seen it. Your hat on the jet plane. Yeah. Done got knocked up. She's off the clock now.
Yeah, clocking out.
You know damn well you're one of them damn dancers. Okay, I just want some chocolate.
Let me show you the best.
The best.
White chocolate.
Oh, I
Raspberry
do love white
truffle.
chocolate.
Yeah, girl.
Which one?
Yeah, girl. I want to go get. You want to go get our toast done? What about yours?
I do need to get my toast done. I worked at $100
You did?
before I was a dancer.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's my baby mama. I gotta take care of my baby mama, right?
Again, call him. Anyways, I was wondering if you want to go to my friend's baby party. We're having a baby party.
You wanna bring your baby mama with you? I'm feeling fatter by the minute. That's okay. I love chocolate ice cream. Is there delicious?
Thank you so much. This is the nicest thing you've ever done for me. My friend.
Gorgeous, darling. Aww, rock that little baby.
How are you?
Hi.
Hello, guys. Yeah.
I know this out on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it.
So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut.
Dance with me.
Back